Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the audio and gear. Export your custom sounds as 16 or 24-bit WAV or AF at 44, 1 or 48K HC so the piano reads them reliably. Once done, organize files into folders named for voices. This helps patch mapping later. Make sure a USB drive or SD card is formatted to FAT32 and contains only the samples you need. Finally, power your piano and enter the import or sample mode. This is where the real work. Now import and map the samples to keys. Use the piano's sample import menu or the manufacturer's librarian software to load files. This is faster and less error-prone. Once loaded, assign a root key so pitch transposition is correct, then map key ranges and velocity layers to capture dynamics. Adjust loop points and answer envelopes to remove clicks and shape sustain. Make sure to save patches frequently. If your piano supports folders or banks, organize by instrument for quick access. Finish by saving and testing each custom patch thoroughly. Play across the keyboard to verify tuning, velocity responsiveness, and that loop points are seamless. Once satisfied, save patches to internal memory and backup banks to your USB or SD card so you don't lose work. If you encounter issues, first re-export any offending samples in a different bit depth or sample rate. Make sure file names have no special characters. Also check for firmware updates, and, if necessary, reset sample import settings and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.